Today, the province unveiled a new targeted vaccine approach.
We will be immediately targeting hotspot postal codes to help get this third wave under control.
The hotspot neighborhoods include areas within Hamilton, Halton, and Niagara, but again, it's not the entire region, only specific postal codes.
We have to go in to the hot areas, the hot spots.
This is the City of Hamilton's map that shows hard-hit areas in dark blue. The province says those 50 and older living in the L9C and L8W postal codes, both on the mountain, will be able to get the shot.
They used a review of hospitalizations and deaths that had happened over the course of the pandemic.
The decision was made by the province, and once again, the lower city was not included in this new expansion.
We've been on the phone today with the province asking that they add some additional areas to the booking tool. We're just working through with them what those might be based on our local analysis, which would include areas in the lower city.
In Niagara, the only postal code provided was L2G in Niagara Falls, and there's one postal code in Milton, L9E. Dr. Michael Warner tweeting, quote, "If we fail to bring the hoses to where the fires are, working age BIPOC and other individuals in the areas we know will continue to die." Premier Ford says they will focus on age groups.
I believe it was 97% of mortalities in hospitals are people over the age of 60.
The other issue addressed today was the lack of vaccine bookings here in the city of Hamilton. As we first told you last night, over 600 appointment bookings went unfilled here at First Ontario Centre just yesterday. It was in part why the city lowered the age threshold from 70 to 60 and up today. The province tells us as soon as they heard from Hamilton Public Health, they lowered the age threshold. We asked Dr. Elizabeth Richardson when that conversation took place.
And as we looked at the appointment situation, we asked yesterday for ours to be dropped lower earlier rather than waiting for the province to go forward with their change. This was when we became aware that they'd be willing to make that change, and we asked right away that happened.
Yet other regions like Toronto, Peel, and York had the province change the age groups for their cities last week. Halton has opened up vaccinations at mass sites to those 60 and up today, and starting tomorrow, Niagara will do the same. There's been no date from the province or the city as to when exactly those 50 and older in select postal code areas will be able to book their vaccination appointments. We're being told that they'll have more details in the days ahead.